Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open the Format Cells dialog box for customizing formats using only shortcut keys in Excel 365. Let's get started. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. Today's video will show you how to open the Format Cells dialog box using only shortcut keys. I will be making follow-up videos showing you how to perform specific tasks within the Format Cells dialog box using only shortcut keys. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the follow-up videos. Here, we have some data that we would like to format. We start by using the arrow keys to move the active cell to the beginning of the data that we want to format. Next, press and hold the Shift key and use the arrow keys to highlight the data that you want to format. Once you have your data selected, press and hold the Control key, and press the number 1. This will open the Format Cells dialog box for customizing formats. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.